Two young children in Chicago have died from the flu as cases of respiratory illnesses spike across the state. WGN's Courtney Spinelli spoke with a doctor at Lurie Children's Hospital about the trends they're seeing, plus the steps you should take to protect your family. She joins us now live with details. Courtney.
Micah and Ray, city health officials confirmed both pediatric seasonal flu deaths involve children under the age of 2. Now, one of those was reported last week, another reported just this week.
And so we have these tools and we need to be using those optimally to protect as many babies and children as we can.
Dr. Larry Kosiolek with Lurie Children's Hospital says what they're seeing right now is fairly similar to pre-COVID, a moderate to high level of activity of both RSV and influenza at the same time among young patients.
Certainly we've seen a lot of patients in our emergency department and in the hospital. We have gotten close to capacity, but we've not exceeded that.
According to the Chicago Department of Public Health, emergency department visits for the flu remain high across all age groups. Data in the first week of January showed 1 in about every 9 flu-associated ICU hospitalizations were children under the age of 4.
What's different about this year is that we have the most preventive measures in our toolkit than we've ever had.
Weekly data from CDPH shows flu and COVID vaccine levels among Chicagoans remain low. Kosiolek emphasizes the importance of vaccines to help prevent hospitalizations or worse, things that can be especially traumatic and devastating for families.
We wish individuals would understand that the risk of these viruses, even though most people's experience is an illness that they'll get over in a few days with some rest and fluids, that not all children are that lucky.
During the 2023 to 2024 flu season in Chicago, CDPH recorded no seasonal flu deaths compared to 2 so far this year. Over the last 10 years, CDPH says Chicago saw an average of 1 flu death per year involving pediatric patients. At the state level, in January of 2024, IDPH saw 2 pediatric flu deaths, compared to 4 already this year, though where the other 2 outside of Cook County were reported, they could not say.
Being a pediatrician is hard a lot of times because children do die of illnesses and injuries all the time. And what we really want to focus on is those that are preventable.
Now, it's not clear whether either of those 2 children who died in Chicago received any treatment at any area hospitals prior to their deaths. Doctors say some of the simple steps you can take are just washing your hands, covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze, and just simply staying home when you're sick. For now, live outside Lurie Children's Hospital, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.